Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Spend all day in it. Whatever Lola said. What's today? It's Tuesday. I'm a day late on my week vlog, but I'm gonna give y'all all the tea and all the everything throughout the rest of the week. So stay tuned to this video to see what's in store. But I'm tired. Like barely running off sleep tired. Been productive, you know, tired for good reasons, not just out here tired. But I'm headed home. I'm in Augusta, Georgia right now. And I stopped by the beauty supply store. I'm supposed to be doing my mom's hair. I'm gonna throw her in some knotless plaits just to like last her over. I try to do her hair like once every 2 months. Once a month is ideal, but let's be real, like sometimes stuff just kind of get lost in the back burner. So I'll be doing that hopefully tonight or tomorrow, so you guys will see a little snippet of that. I have a couple of protective styles on my channel that I've used my mom for. Hold on. It's bad enough I was driving and vlogging. I had to put my seatbelt on, but I'm definitely going to be getting my windshield phone holder again because Georgia is hands-free, so I need to put this phone down. But I'll come back to you guys later tonight. My godson has a baseball game. Lord, he's growing up. I almost said a t-ball game. He has a baseball game tonight, so I'm gonna be taking you guys with me, and we're just gonna continue having a good Tuesday. Vlogging stuff. Hey, friend. Atta baby. Proud of my good pick. Nice eye, Noah. Woo! Oh, shoot. Yeah! Y'all, I'm a little late getting this vlog started. Don't pay me no mind. Where's the lighting?
Make myself feel good.
Y'all, I done got stuck in this rain. Luckily, my mom had an umbrella in her car. Don't ask me about the umbrella because it's barely holding on. And I'm just trying not to walk in a puddle that I can't tell that's a puddle. This was the wrong day for me to straighten my hair. Let's just say that. And put in clip-ins. Like I thought I was doing something. Oh my God. I'm gonna come back later to do this vlog for today because I just can't. Hey y'all, so very quick little, you know, chit chat part. I gotta go clean out my car. I ain't even about to show y'all. Just know my dog has been in here. I've had little miscellaneous stuff that needs to get cleaned out. We're gonna do that. So y'all are gonna see some clips from that. I'm going to a local car wash. There we go. Here in my hometown, and then we're gonna go on the road. So another road vlog. So stay with me as we get ready on this day. We're definitely may change my hair. I don't know. I got some clip-ins in, y'all. Like my hair mixed with like maybe 7 clip-ins, but we'll see how that go. But for now, we gotta get this car cleaned out and make it look like something again. Okay. Bear with me. Y'all know this is hands-free Georgia. I can't be vlogging and holding my phone, so it was only $6. I've had one before, but honestly, it got lost in the sauce somewhere. That's what we're looking like. This part goes onto the this part goes onto the windshield. You just take off the sticker. I already have a spot where I put my last one. We have it up. Oh my goodness, we're back hands-free. I don't know if I like this one. They had a, just trying to see if I like it. I don't know if this is the exact one that I had, but I mean, for $6 and I'm hands-free, you can't beat it. I did stop by Sachero's. Y'all don't get me, I just cleaned out my car and I'm eating in it already. Sachero's, it's basically like a Chipotle. I mean, for my BHam people. But yeah. We're about to be on the road. I have like an hour, 20 minutes, hour and a half until I get to Atlanta. Stopping in Atlanta, I need to drop off the Wi-Fi box to Xfinity and like literally driving through Atlanta. Not even gonna stop and get on this road. All right, bye. Good morning. It is 8:30. We're back for another game today. I'm gonna give y'all more clips today of game day, so stay with me. You guys are hearing the lawnmowers outside, so I'm sorry. We got to get this hair together. I plan on getting there pretty early today, so we're getting more footage. But yeah, we're going for 2-bay ponytail. So I'll see you guys a little later when I get ready, and we're gonna have a great day.
In half a mile, turn left to merge onto US 281.
Oh my god. Y'all, I'm so mad. I had my phone on the charger and it wasn't even charging. Well, I'm on 28% in this game day. Like, I'm so mad. Like, why would you do that? Like, it was on the charger. Can we get into how I did is my brows and put on some black girl sunscreen because the skin is skinning. The skin is skinning. Oh, let me show y'all the fit real quick. I know y'all see it. Like, y'all don't even see the shoes yet. Like, the shoes are what do it for me. But I'm on time. I'm early. If you saw my last vlog, no, the one, yeah, my last vlog, you know, I was late. I was upset. Like, you live and you learn, because I'm an hour early and I'm just gonna be chilling because I refuse to be late when I know
then at the next one turn left.
Parking would probably be crazy. So yeah, A for Ashley, because OMG, 6 minutes away. I'm gonna get there at 10:30. The game starts at 11:30.
Use the left lane to merge onto US 280 West.
It is packed already. I'm glad I got here early. I already knew what time it was. Like, OMG. Oh my God. Got my shades. I've always wanted to do this. So, my scent for today is Tom Ford. My sister got me this and I've been waiting for like summer, spring, because it is like a body shimmer. Can y'all see that? Like, it smells like a lady. Like, I'm more of like a sweet scent, but I am getting into different scents. But she do what she's supposed to do. I'm gonna spray one more little mist on me just because I want the shimmer. But we're gonna get out because it's already packed. I think the gates open, I think 55 minutes prior, and I've never really seen them warm up and stuff, so I'm really excited to see that. So we're just gonna go ahead and get out and get this day started. Just open. Oh.
And the New Orleans Breakers.
After the game, we ended up eating at Rock and Roll Sushi, and the next day we did go on a little date day to the gun range. So you guys should definitely subscribe to stay tuned because I will be posting that vlog with some date ideas to do in Birmingham, Alabama. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, beauties. Date day at the gun range. Sean, come back.